Now, let's solve a solution. Let's find the solution of one linear and one fractional equation. So like last time, we have a system of equations in two variables, but over here we have one linear equation and one fractional equation. Before this, we had one linear equation and one quadratic equation. So let's see. So basically, this is your linear equation and this is your fractional equation. Now, obviously, x cannot be 0 and y cannot be 0. Why? Because when we have zeros in the denominators here, they'll give you a value of infinity, or they're not defined really. So we cannot have x and y have value 0. So we'll give this fractional equation the name equation 1, and we'll look at the second equation. We'll basically write this in terms of y. So basically y will now become a function of x, which is y is equal to 5 minus x. Now, put y is equal to 5 minus x in equation 1, this fractional equation. So replace every y in this equation with 5 minus x. Now, we have this equation, and you'll take the LCM. So you'll multiply 2 with 5 minus x. So you'll get this. And then you'll multiply 3 with this x. So you'll get this 3x. And in the denominator, you'll have x into 5 minus x. Obviously, everyone knows how to find the LCM. It's not really that hard. Now, you'll take this denominator and you'll multiply it with this 2 on the right hand side. Now, upon further calculations, you'll get this quadratic equation. Now, once you factorize this quadratic equation, you'll get basically, you'll take this will become one factor, 2x minus 5 will become one factor, and x minus 2 will become the other factor. So you'll have this factorized form of the quadratic equation. And so either this 2x minus 5 is equal to 0, or this x minus 2 is equal to 0, or both of them can be 0. So we'll equate both of these factors to 0 to get two values for x. And those two values are 5 over 2 and 2. Now, we'll put these values in equation 2. And just a reminder, what was really equation 2? Let's just see. This was equation 2. Y is equal to 5 minus x. So we'll put these values of x in y is equal to 5 minus x. Now, upon putting x is equal to 5 minus 2, you'll get a value of y, 5 over 2. So you'll have this as a part of the solution set. When x is 5 over 2, y is 5 over 2. Now, when x is equal to 2 and you plug that into the equation, you get a value of y, 3. Y is equal to 3. So the solution is when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. And the complete solution set is this.